Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, dear. You woke up early today.
Yes, I couldn't sleep more.
Why? Are you excited about something?
Yes, Mom. I was thinking something since last night.
Oh, really? What is it?
Mom, can I go to Uncle's house today?
Uncle's house? Today?
Yes, I miss him a lot.
Suddenly you want to go?
Yes, it has been many days.
That's true.
Uncle told me to visit last week.
I remember.
So, can we go today?
Lena, today is difficult.
Why, Mom?
I have an important meeting today. Yes, office meeting. Very important.
Oh,
I cannot take leave today.
then Dad will take me?
Take you where?
Dad, good morning!
Good morning, champ.
Dad, please take me to Uncle's house today.
Today?
Yes, Dad, please.
I also have office work today.
You too?
Yes, I must go early.
Oh no.
See, Lena, both of us are busy today.
But I really want to go.
We can go this weekend.
Weekend is far away.
Just 2 days.
It feels like 10 days.
Drama queen.
I am serious, Dad.
Why do you want to go so badly?
I want to play with Uncle's dog.
Rocky?
Yes, and Uncle promised to make pizza for me.
Pizza is the main reason, right?
Maybe a little bit.
Naughty girl.
Please, Mom. Please, Dad.
Lena, don't make a sad face.
But I was so excited.
I understand.
I even packed my small bag last night.
You packed already?
Yes, my dress and my storybook.
Oh, wow. You really planned everything.
Yes, but now I feel sad.
Come here. Don't cry, dear.
I just miss Uncle.
We know.
I wish I could go today.
Let's think. Maybe there is another way.
Really? Another way?
Maybe. But we will talk after breakfast.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay, I will wait.
Good girl. Now wash your face and brush your teeth first.
Okay, but don't forget, okay?
We won't forget.
Mom, can we talk now?
Yes, Lena. Come sit here.
What happened, princess?
You said we will think about Uncle's house.
Yes, we were thinking.
But today is still difficult, dear.
Mom, please try once more.
It's not about trying. We both have work.
I can go fast and come back fast.
It's not so simple.
I really miss Uncle.
You can call him on the phone.
Phone is not the same.
That's true.
I want to go there, play, eat pizza.
Lena,
Everyone is busy. Nobody has time for me.
Hey, don't say that.
we always have time for you.
Then take me today.
If we take leave today, we may have problems in the office.
Oh,
Try to understand, dear. Lena, don't cry.
I am not crying.
Your eyes look watery.
I just really wanted to go today.
We know.
Mom,
Yes?
what if I go alone?
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 Yes, I can take the bus.
No, too dangerous.
But Dad, I am big now.
You are still a child.
I know how to cross the road.
Still not safe.
I go to school alone sometimes.
School is near. Uncle's house is far.
I will be careful. I will not talk to strangers.
Good, but still.
I will sit quietly in the bus. I will call you when I reach.
You really want to go that much?
Yes, Mom. Very much.
What do you think? Should we allow her?
I don't know.
Please, Dad.
If we send you alone, you must follow every rule.
I will. I promise.
No running, no talking to strangers, no getting off at the wrong stop.
Yes, Mom.
Call us anytime.
Yes, Dad.
Let me think.
Please, Mom.
Okay, maybe we can try.
Really?
Only if Dad explains all the safety rules first.
I will listen carefully.
Then get ready. We will talk about bus safety.
Yay! Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Wait, don't jump too much.
When the bus comes, don't push anyone.
Stand in line?
Yes. Stand in line and wait your turn.
Okay.
Get into the bus slowly.
Slowly, not fast.
Right. No jumping.
No jumping.
After you get in, find a seat quickly.
Window seat?
Any safe seat.
Okay.
Don't stand near the door.
Because it's dangerous?
Yes, you can fall.
Oh, I will sit only.
Good girl.
And don't talk to strangers too much.
What is a stranger?
Someone you don't know.
Oh, no talking to unknown people.
Yes. Only small answers if needed.
Okay, Dad.
If someone asks personal questions, don't answer.
Personal?
Like your address or phone number.
Oh, I won't tell.
And if you feel scared?
I call you immediately.
Perfect. Do you know your stop name?
Yes, Green Park Stop.
Say it again.
Green Park Stop.
Ready for your first solo bus ride?
Yes, Dad, I am ready.
Come, let's go to the bus stop together. Hold my hand, Lena. The road is busy.
Okay, Dad, I am holding tight. Dad, my heart is beating fast.
Are you scared?
A little excited.
That's normal for the first time.
Did you feel scared when you were small?
Yes, everyone feels scared at first. But brave people still try.
Then I want to be brave.
You already are.
Thank you, Dad. Dad, what time will the bus come?
In 5 minutes.
It feels like a big adventure.
It is a small adventure.
My first bus ride alone. Dad, look! I see the bus coming!
Yes, that's your bus.
It looks so big.
Remember what we talked about.
Dad, don't go home yet.
I will wait until the bus leaves.
Thank you. Dad, when I come back, I will tell you everything.
I will be waiting to hear your story. The bus is here. Time to go.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Lena. Ride safely.
See you soon.
See you, my brave traveler.
Wow, the bus is so big inside. So many seats. So many people, too.
Come in, little girl. Don't stand at the door.
Yes, Uncle. Sorry.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Green Park Stop.
Green Park?
Yes, Uncle. Near the post office.
Okay, I understand. Okay, 1 ticket.
How much is the ticket?
20 rupees.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your ticket.
Thank you, Uncle.
Keep it safe. Don't lose it.
I will keep it in my pocket. Uncle,
Yes?
please tell me when Green Park Stop comes.
Don't worry. I will tell you.
That grandma looks very old. She is holding the pole. Her hands are shaking. There is no empty seat. Everyone is sitting. What should I do? Dad said, always help elders. Grandma, Grandma,
Yes, child?
please sit here.
Oh, no, dear. You are sitting.
It's okay. I am young.
Are you sure?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you, dear.
Are you okay now?
Yes, dear. My legs were paining.
You can rest here.
What is your name?
My name is Lena.
Such a sweet girl.
Thank you, Grandma.
Where are you going alone?
To my uncle's house.
Alone? You are very brave.
A little scared, but brave.
Good. Always be brave and kind.
My dad teaches me that.
Your parents raised you well.
Thank you.
Nowadays, children don't give seats, but you gave your seat without asking.
You look tired.
May God bless you, child.
Thank you, Grandma.
Sit near me if you want.
It's okay. I will stand here and hold the rail.
Your stop will come soon. I know that area.
Really?
I will tell you.
Thank you, Grandma. You are so kind.
Child, are you getting down here?
Yes, Uncle. Green Street.
Good. Hold the handle while getting down.
Okay.
Bye, Lena.
Bye, Grandma. Thank you for helping me.
Study well and stay brave.
Yes, Grandma!
Stop! Green Street! Slowly, don't rush.
Okay, one step, two steps. I'm down!
Good girl. Be safe.
Thank you, Uncle! Bye, bus. Where is Uncle? Dad said he will wait near the tea shop. Let me look around. Oh! There!
Lena! Lena!
Uncle!
Over here!
Uncle!
Hey, my brave girl.
Uncle, I came alone by bus.
I know, your dad called me. I am so proud of you. Lena, first call your father.
Yes, Uncle. Dad will be waiting for my call.
Parents worry a lot.
Yes, Dad told me to call immediately.
Good girl. Use my phone.
Thank you, Uncle. Let me dial Dad's number.
Okay, go ahead.
Ringing.
Hello? Lena?
Dad, it's me!
Lena, are you okay?
Yes, Dad. I reached safely.
Really? You reached?
Yes, I got down at Green Street.
Good. Was it the correct stop?
Yes. The conductor told me. Uncle is here with me.
Oh, good. Did you meet him easily?
Yes, he was waiting near the tea shop.
Excellent. Call me again in the evening, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Eat well. Listen to Uncle and Auntie.
Yes, Dad.
Love you, champ.
Love you too, Dad.
Enjoy your day.
Bye!
Bye, my brave girl. Come, let's go home.
Yes, I want to see Auntie too.